What's up guys, TechBuzz here today with another unboxing. Today I got the Rosewill low profile chiclet USB keyboard design. And let's just start out with the slicing of the upper tape. And then we'll get right into the box after I just pulled this little tab. Now this keyboard's pretty big and it's very low profile. And I'm trying out a new keyboard setup, and this is why I got it. So as you can see, we have the keyboard itself in a plastic containment, protecting it from any damage whatsoever. Then peeling it off, as you can see, we got a really low profile, slim overall keyboard that I really do appreciate. As you can see, it's USB designed, so it'll work with virtually any computer. Windows computer rather. It does include the Windows keyboard and includes all letters. And it also includes a number pad, which is a key selling point for me. And that is very slim profile design, which really helps the consumer know this is a great piece of material. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.